Hi everybody, I'm going to go on to Google Classroom and I'm going to show you how to upload your files. Now I am assuming that you already have a file on your computer and you can get it there either by scanning it or taking a picture and emailing it to yourself and then downloading it from your email. But I'm going to go to classes. Here's the Google Classroom. I'm clicking on the geometry class. Now I've finished my assignment and I'm ready to download it, or upload it rather. So I go to classwork and I want to put it in this assignment right here. So I view the assignment and then I have options here. I can put a comment for the entire class to see. I can put a private comment to the teacher. I could mark it as done, or I can add or create. And this is the button that I want you to know how to use. So click it and you get all these different options. You can actually create these things. But what I'm trying to show you how to do is link a file into this. So click File, and what happens is you get a choice about using different things. And I'm going to upload from my device. So when I go to my device, now what I did is on my desktop, I have a bunch of different things. Create a folder and name it geometry. Then whenever you save an assignment, please be careful about the way that you name it. Okay, if you look at the screen right now, you can see that the way I'm naming mine is with my last name, with the section number, and with the problems. I have no spaces. It's all connected. Okay. If I want a space, I just put a hyphen in. So that is the basic pattern. Your name, the section, and the problems. Okay. Now I'm going to click it and it shows up right here on my screen. I can add more files if I want to. I could take a picture of every single side of my homework and upload it if I wanted to. Then I just upload like that. And then you can see that it is starting to show up right there. And then I have to press turn it in. So notice again, your name hyphen section hyphen which problems. No spaces. Turn it in. And it should be there. Let's see. Oh, look, you can unsubmit it too if you want to. So if I go back to see what happened and I go to classwork, all it's going to do is say for me that it's turned in. Okay? So I hope that helps.